In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete website draft in Godaddy. To begin, sign in to your Godaddy account and open the website you want to manage. Once you are on the main dashboard for that site, look for the Edit Website or Edit Site button. Click it to open the Visual Page Builder. This is the area where you can make changes to your site, preview edits, and manage saved versions of your work. After the editor opens, move your attention to the top toolbar. In this section, you need to access your site history. Depending on your screen size or the version of the editor you are using, this option may appear as a clock icon or as a text link labeled History. In some layouts, you may first need to click Settings and then choose Site History. This area shows different drafts and saved versions, which is useful if you have made several edits over time and want to remove one that you no longer need. Once the History panel is open, look through the list of drafts or versions displayed in the sidebar. Take a moment to identify the specific draft you want to delete. It is a good idea to check carefully before removing anything, especially if you have multiple saved versions with similar dates or changes. Deleting the correct draft helps you keep your website history organized and avoids removing something you may still want to keep. When you find the draft you want to remove, hover your mouse over it. This should reveal more options for that version. Click the three-dot menu next to the draft, then select Delete. This tells Godaddy that you want to permanently remove that saved draft from your history list. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletions. If you are certain that this is the draft you want to remove, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the draft will be deleted from your site history. That is the full process. Open the site editor, go to History, find the draft, use the three-dot menu, and confirm the deletion. This is a simple way to keep your Godaddy website drafts clean and easier to manage. That covers everything you need to know.